Hello kids, welcome to my video. This is my little baby Noah. Say hi Noah. Hi. Today we're going to make art. So over here we have a fork and a tray. And we also have shaving cream. And we have a ruler, paper, and we also have food coloring. Okay, now let's begin our story. Noah, you have to stay down here. When I need you, I'll just take you. Okay? He's a good boy. Try not to fall, Noah. Okay, now we're going to make art. We're going to make our new wrapping paper. We can wrap up stuff for presents for whoever we want. So first we need a lot of shaving cream. Don't eat the shaving cream because maybe you'll get sick. I hope this is open. We're going to put shaving cream all over this. Try not to eat it. Oh, shaving cream. Too much. So much. It's hard. So here's all the shaving cream. Now we're going to put food colorings. We have all of the colors. So do you know all these colors? I'm first going to use yellowish greenish. We're going to do long strokes.
Why do you need to do long strokes? Why can't you mix?
It's because maybe it's going to make some grayish or something. Wow, it's mixing up and it's so cute. I think that's enough. Now we're going to take a piece of paper and put it on the shaving cream, okay? 1, 2, 3. Then we have to pat. Now we wait for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Look! It's right for the sign. It came true. So now we're going to scrape the shaving cream off. Kids, look at it. And kids, look behind. When we put the paper on, the shaving cream lifted it up and then it came on here. And then we used the ruler and it came off. It's because this is scraping.
The paper absorbed the color.
Yeah, absorbed the color. Yep, we do. Yeah, it's really colorful. Still bright colors. Wow, colors mixing up beautifully. See, kids? Some of these colors look good. Oh, don't touch them. Mixing, boom, boom, boom. Mixing, boom, boom, boom. A fun way to make your own wrapping paper. To wrap presents. I want to give a present to Aaliyah. She's my friend and she's a little baby kid. I'm going to give her a book. An ABC book. I'm going to wrap it with my wrapping paper. Oh. It's pinkish. Actually, not brownish, pinkish. So we need Noah now. Come on, Noah. Ugh. Here she is. Hello, I'm Noah.
Hi, Noah. How are you?
Good. And I'm going to get Annabelle. I'll show you. Wait there, kids. This is Annabelle and this is Noah. Hello, I'm Noah and I'm Annabelle.
So is it hard having kids?
Yep. I always have to give them their lunch. I have to feed them. I have to take them to school.
Does anyone help you?
Nope. It's only me in the house.
What's your favorite thing to do with your kids?
My favorite thing to do is snuggle them and take them to school. This one's a baby. This one's not. I like to teach them the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't do thing with me. They're really good. They listen to everything that I say. Noah, transform. That's how he transforms. What do you want to say to Annabelle?
What do you like to do with your mom?
Okay, she doesn't understand, so I'm just going to tell her. I like to play sand castles. Okay, now it's Noah's turn. Hello, I'm Noah. We already met each other, silly. I like having kids. My mom takes care of me, so I take care of my babies. I have lots of babies in the house.
What time is their bedtime?
7 o'clock. Yes, for real.
What do you feed them?
Ice cream. The ice cream is healthy.
You feed them healthy ice cream?
And healthy sugar. Like gummy healthy, but there's no pig in there. They don't eat pig. Sometimes they see a pig and they want to eat it, but I'm not going to let them. Now it's Cece's turn. Cece, come here. Ooh, she's a little berry. She's a little bear. See?
When it's time for your kids to go to bed, what do you do?
I say, it's time to go to bed, and they say, no, 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 we don't want to go to bed. That's what I say. They have a special routine, but they don't listen. They don't let me brush their teeth or put on their pajamas, so they always does that. I put it on Cece's pajamas, but these two always doesn't let me. So want to see Cece dance for her ballet? I like teaching my kids how to count to 100. They're really smart. Like Cece and Annabelle and Noah. They help me carry my bags, and they also help me fold the clothes. I always want to teach them all about Santa. He's a stranger, and then we don't sit on his lap. I also want to teach them how to do yoga. It's because I always like doing the penguin pose or the bell pose. Do you know what's the bell pose? I'll show you. You have to do this, but behind your back. See? And then you have to do bling.
Nice.
And the penguin is
So what are some important things people need to do to stay healthy?
They have to eat healthy. They have to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. And they have to do exercise, get a lot of sleep. I think they should eat potatoes, lettuce, carrots, fruits and vegetables like strawberries and bananas, oranges, and avocados actually. So our wrapping paper is ready, and we're going to give this to my dad. Now we have to put the wrapping paper down and put this in and do this. Wrap it. The other side. There we go. There. All done. You can make wrapping paper like this, or you can buy a different wrapping paper. My dad's gonna like it. I'm gonna hide it for my dad. Bye, kids. I hope you like our show.